TaigaTube. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cool paper airplane that goes fast. So we need some paper. We don't need to use the pen, but if we use it, the paper airplane is going to be nicer. So first I got a piece of paper, and all we have to do is just fold the paper like this. Make sure your edges are lined up really good. I made the creases. Yay! So once you open it, you can see your line right here. See the center line? Okay, so first I make a small triangle like right here. See your line right here that you made? You gotta put the triangle on the line right here. So I make the triangle on the line right here, and I crease it, and I gotta make sure I crease it really carefully, and make sure I don't bend it. If I bend it, I won't be the paper airplane won't be able to fly. So see this other paper on the side, right? See the other line. Because we did this triangle, and we see still more line, right? First, we get this other half of paper out, and we put it connected on the other triangle. I hold my finger right here, and I put my other finger right here, and I do it like this. It makes the sound. I crease it carefully. So I put the piece of small tape right on the bottom so everything connects. It's gonna be connected. So when you do this, the tape is on, right? So when you do this again, it's gonna hold together. So the next part, I just do it like this. So I put all of my fingers right here, and I crease it, except my thumb. So I do the other part. I'm gonna fold it right like this. So I put all of my fingers right here. I crease it like this. Oops, it got a little bit. But I fixed it. Oh. Just easy way. This part right here, it needs to be a little pointy and sharp. So I'm gonna put a little piece of tape, but it looks kind of big. See it right here. So I take the big piece of tape. Actually, it's a small one. I take it off. Next, I put it on the paper airplane right here up. Oops, I want to put it like this because it's big. But I think it was this way. There we go. The tape holds the paper airplane so it doesn't come apart. So next, I fold it like this and make sure I crease it really nice. I use all of my fingers. See it? I just put my other fingers right here so it can be like that. So next, I just pinch it like this, and I do it like this. I do it like this. See it? A little band right here. So next, I put it right side up, and all I have to do is just do this. This wing is already good, so I need to make the next wing. Next, I fold it over right here and just crease it. Oh no, I want it to go fast. I hope it does. Here we go. So if you want to write on the airplane, you can just write on it right here. Tie. Taiga. So I flip it the other way, and I'm gonna draw subscribe. Yes. Oops. Sip. Oops. Little hard. Sip. Yay, subscribe. See? I draw subscribe to TaigaTube That's a big E. TaigaTube. A little bit more process to do. First, so the next part, I cross it like this. Whoop. So the other way, I cross it like this again. Whoop. There we go. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Look on there. It's really cool. But I need to put some tape right here. So I put one piece of big tape and put it right here so it doesn't come apart. Now I put another piece of big tape right here. So I'm going to start to put it on. So this tape can hold all the other bottom paper. Now I can fly really good.